Very good morning to all my lovely Patans. So I am back with your computer class and I hope you all are enjoying your computer class. So today we are going to do the book exercise of chapter 6 and D part define the following terms. Okay. So everyone keep your book, computer book and computer notebook ready with you along with your stationery. Okay. So now let's start the book exercise. So this is your book exercise of chapter 6 Internet Surfing and Security, page number 66. Okay, first of all everyone will write the date here. Today is 12.2.21. Okay, and you can also write here classwork. Okay, now we'll start with the tick the correct answer. First is Dash is the largest network that links millions of computers. So, largest network. Your options are television, internet, telephone. So, out of these three, what will be the answer? Yes, everyone, raise your hands. Yes, I can see many hands. Okay. Yes. Okay, Vanya, what will be the answer? Very good. Internet is the right answer. So tick on the box given in front of internet. Okay. Now come to the second one. The history of internet starts with the birth of dash. So internet की history कहाँ से start हुई थी? With the birth of, your options are ARPANET, intranet, website. So what will be the answer? Yes. Yes, Tanvi. Very good. The answer is ARPANET. So we'll take on the box given in front of ARPANET. Now come to the third one. The internet connection is provided by different companies called. So जो different companies हमें internet connection provide करती हैं, what we call them? Your options are IPS, ISP, SPI. So what will be the answer? Very good. Lots of hands I can see. Okay. Yes, Aditya. Very good. The answer is ISP. And what is the full form of ISP? Very good. Internet Service Provider. Okay. So जो कंपनीज हमें इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइड करती हैं उनको हम बोलते हैं इंटरनेट सर्विस प्रोवाइडर ISP. Okay. Now come to the fourth one. Dash is the default web browser of Windows 7. So Windows 7 का default web browser कौन सा होता है? Your options are Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. So what will be the answer? I have told you that those who are using Windows operating system उनमें by default आपका web browser होता है आपके कंप्यूटर में, लैपटॉप में. So what is that? Yes, raise your hands. Yes, raise your hands, beta. Yes, Rudra. Very good. The answer is Internet Explorer. So you have to take on the box given in front of Internet Explorer. Now come to the fifth one. Google Chrome is a web browser developed by Dash. So who developed Google Chrome? Your options are Microsoft, Mosaic, Google. So what will be the answer? Yes, tell. What will be the answer? Yes, Ansh. Very good. The answer is Google. It is developed by Google. So tick on the box given in front of Google. Now come to the B bar. Write true and false for the following statements. So first is a web browser is the address of a web page. Is it true or false? Web browser किसी web page का address होता है. Is this statement true or false? Yes. Raise your hands. Yes, Arjun. What will be the answer? True. No, it's wrong. The answer is false. एड्रेस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? किसी भी वेब पेज का जो एड्रेस होता है वी कॉल इट URL, यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर. और वेब ब्राउज़र क्या होता है? वेब ब्राउज़र is a software or program which helps us to surf internet, to browse internet, to access the information on internet available on different websites. Okay. Now come to the second one. Many search engine use a program called Spider. Many search engines program use करते हैं जिसे हम Spider कहते हैं. Is this statement true or false? Yes, Veer. Very good. It's true. So we'll write T in the second box, capital T. Third is Hotmail is a popular web browser. Is it true or false? Yes, Manvik. Yes, it is false. Hotmail is not a web browser. इट इज़ अ मेल सर्विस. जैसे हमारी gmail.com होती है, याहू मेल होती है, वैसे ये एक मेल सर्विस है. ओके. नाउ फोर्थ वन. ऑलवेज चूज स्ट्रॉन्ग पासवर्ड टू प्रोटेक्ट योर अकाउंट. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? यस, निताल्या. ट्रू. वेरी गुड. सो विल राइट कैपिटल T in the fourth box. Now the next, you should always open an email message with attachment. Is it true or false? Yes, I want everyone to answer. Okay, so raise your hands. So the answer is yes, Lakshya. Very good. The answer is false. So we'll write capital F. Now the next, never share your personal information with stranger on web. कभी हमें वेब पे अपनी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी भी स्ट्रेंजर के साथ नहीं शेयर करनी चाहिए. इज़ दिस स्टेटमेंट ट्रू और फॉल्स? येस एवरीवन, गिव द आंसर. येस हंसिका. Good. The answer is true. So we'll write here capital T. Okay. Now come to the next page, page 67. Fill in the blanks. First is dash enables us to send and receive messages at fast speed. So what will be the answer for this? Yes, everyone. The answer is email. Okay. Now the second one. In 1969, the Department of Defense of USA developed dash. So 1969 में USA के डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस ने क्या डेवलप किया था? व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? यस, रेज योर हैंड्स. यस, परिणीति. गुड. द आंसर इज ARPANET. So this you have to write in capital letters. Okay, ARPANET. Now the third one, डैश वॉज द फर्स्ट सक्सेसफुल ग्राफिकल वेब ब्राउज़र. सबसे पहला ग्राफिकल वेब ब्राउज़र कौन सा था? यू हैव टू टेल दैट. Yes, Sayam. Good. The answer is Mosaic. So first letter must be capital and rest small. Mosaic. You have to write in the third fill up. Now the fourth one. Dash is a high speed internet connection. High speed internet connection कौन सा होता है? Yes, Vedworth. Yes, broadband. So we'll write here broadband. So your first letter must be capital and we'll write here broadband. Now the fifth one. A dash is any web page name that lists as a result of search. So the answer is hit. हिट क्या होता है? कोई भी वेब पेज का नेम होता है, जो भी हम सर्च करते हैं उसके रिजल्ट में हमारे पास ये वेब पेज आता है. ओके, जिसकी लिस्ट स्पाइडर बनाता है. ओके, सो कंप्लीटेड फास्ट. एंड नाउ एवरीवन जस्ट टेक आउट योर computer notebooks, write down today's date, chapter name. Okay, and then leave 2 lines and write down D part. Define the following. D part, define the following. This you have to do in your computer notebook. Okay, so take out your notebooks fast, write down date, classwork, chapter name, and then leave 2 lines and write down D. Define the following and write down first one, web browser. So web browser क्या होता है? Yes, think everyone. Web browser क्या होता है? Web browser is a software which allow us to browse the internet and to open different websites or to access the information available on different websites. सो वेब ब्राउज़र एक सॉफ्टवेयर है जो हमें अलाउ करता है इंटरनेट को एक्सेस करने में, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरनेट पे होती है उसको एक्सेस करने में. ओके, सो आई एम राइटिंग हेयर इन द बुक बट यू हैव टू राइट हेयर इन योर कंप्यूटर नोटबुक. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन विद मी. It is a software that allows us to browse the internet and to open different websites. ओके, सो ये सॉफ्टवेयर है जो हमें इंटरनेट को ब्राउज करने में हेल्प करता है और अलग अलग वेबसाइट्स को हेल्प करने ओपन करने में हेल्प करता है. ओके, सो जस्ट राइट इट डाउन फास्ट इन योर कंप्यूटर नोटबुक and write in a neat and clean handwriting and don't do the spelling mistakes. Then leave one line and write down the second, search engine. So search engine क्या होता है? If you know, any of you, you can raise your hands. So search engine is used to search a particular information. Okay, so we'll write the definition here. अगर हमें कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन इंटरनेट पे सर्च करनी है तो उसके लिए हम सर्च इंजन यूज़ करते हैं. सो इट इज़ अ प्रोग्राम that searches for a particular information. particular information का मतलब है कि किसी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, सिलेक्टेड टॉपिक पे आप अगर इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च कर रहे हो, ओके, थ्रू कलेक्शन ऑफ वेब पेजेस, तो वेब पेजेस पे इसको सर्च करता है किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे सर्च इंजन, और फिर हमें उनकी लिस्ट शो करता है। ओके, सो राइट इट डाउन फास्ट। Okay, now if anyone is having any query, any doubt related to this topic, then you can ask. अगर कोई भी चीज़ आपको बेटा, कोई भी टॉपिक, कोई भी वर्ड नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, डोंट हेजिटेट एट ऑल। ओके, so complete your work and keep revising the chapter. In the next class we are going to do the E part, answer the following questions. Okay, so till then take care, thank you.